Hello, my friends. It is with a loving heart that I announce that my upcoming Bali retreat, October 15th through the 22nd, will be my last. If you've been waiting to take that quantum leap in happiness, then this is it. This is your final opportunity. Someone who has lived in Bali for 11 years and has been leading retreats since 2009, there is a special energy, a magic about Bali. It's a place where you can truly be yourself. It's a place where you can connect with your greatest authenticity and find the peace that you've been looking for. During this retreat, I will share all of my Bali experience to make sure that you have the very best Bali vacation possible. So, my friends, if you've been considering taking a personal retreat, I urge you to join me on this transformative journey. It's your last chance to experience the magic of Bali with me, and I promise you won't regret it. Sign up today, and I will see you in October in Bali.